All right, we are live. Hello and welcome to this webinar, and also welcome to all replay viewers. So this webinar we will stay here at YouTube, so you can also view the see the record. And yeah, today we have two big updates. Yeah, we have two big updates.
Right.
We have two big updates. One update I will do in the middle of the webinar, and one update at the end about the Dubai promotion, or about the promotion what we had in the last 90 days. So it's now finished, and yeah, and now we have the results. So yeah, I will just jump into it right now. I will first I will start with a short presentation about our ecosystem for the new people out there, and then I will tell you about the updates. So please leave a like, and don't forget to follow our channel to not miss out any news on our YouTube channel. So let's share me the screen to dive into it. Okay. So let me share the screen. So, I mean, what in the last 1.5 weeks happens was amazing for the crypto market. I mean, you see that we are really nearly at the beginning, or maybe we are already in the beginning of a financial revolution, because what last days happened with GameStop stocks, or with the Dogecoin pump, or right now with the Ripple pump, it's crazy. It's crazy, and it's also amazing how the retail investors, how the small people like you and me, how they are not agree anymore with the traditional finance systems, yeah, with the printing money systems and so on, with the manipulation, yeah, with the selling stocks and so on, yeah. So we see how the small people are going against this institutions, this central entities, and that is it's just the beginning. Yeah, we are really before a huge financial revolution, because the decentralized finance, and that's what we do with Peak DeFi, for example. It's decentralized finance solves a lot of problems in the traditional finance. Like you see on the left side, the traditional finance is central, yeah, a centralized trust-based software where you're dependent on a central entity. Yeah, you have also bureaucracy behind it, administration, regulation, authority, licensing, and so on. A middleman you have. Then we have, of course, with the rising internet boom, it appears FinTech, but it's still centralized. Yeah, and also you have their bureaucracy behind them. Only DeFi, decentralized finance, that you see on the right side, solves the problem from the traditional finance, and this is open source. It has no authority behind them, no middleman. It's a community-based governance, and nearly or no bureaucracy normally, because it goes everything through audited smart contracts, and so everything works automatically 24/7, and not only during the weeks. So it works also on weekends, borderless. So decentralized finance has so many advantages for the future, and already now there are already billions of dollars that already going into DeFi, that I will show you right now also. And here you see some examples of usages between traditional finance to decentralized finance. For example, the store of value you have in traditional fiat money. FinTech, it's digital fiat money, and then decentralized, it's proof of work or proof of stake. Payments you have in traditional cash, credit cards, bank transfer. FinTech, you have PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and in DeFi you have stable coins, for example, or you can also pay with Ether or other assets. Yeah, investing, you have stocks, funds through banks. In fintech, you have Robinhood, but you saw also right now in Robinhood at the GameStop stocks, they also stopped to buy GameStop stocks via the Robinhood app. Yeah, that's not good. That's not an open market, you know, and therefore DeFi is the solution. Yeah, to use and you can invest in DeFi via funds like the Peak DeFi fund. That's the niche where we are. Yeah, and the DeFi landscape rises more and more. You see what happened in the last 2 years, and also here you see already this is a, by the way, this is an old slide. Yeah, now we have nearly $30 billion are invested in DeFi. So that's in the last year more than 50x that goes into DeFi. So nearly $30 billion. That's amazing. And this is how you see the revolution begins. Yeah. And now I want to present you the Peak ecosystem. And the Peak ecosystem has 3 pillars. Yeah. First pillar is MarketPeak. MarketPeak is an education and affiliate platform where the target group are newbies and not crypto related people. So our foundation is MarketPeak because we are care about the people who are non in the crypto. Yeah, we're educating them. Okay, and if they are experted enough to use to know how to use the Bitcoin blockchain, to know how to use the Ethereum blockchain, then we have our other 2 pillars. The second pillar is the Peak DeFi wallet app. That's a decentralized mobile wallet app on the Ethereum blockchain where you can create a wallet, import an existing wallet, you can send, receive assets, you can exchange assets, you can buy assets via credit card, Apple Pay, or bank wire. And this is, of course, for people who are already knowing about crypto and knowing how the Ethereum blockchain works. But again, we educate these people on MarketPeak, and then they start to download and using this Peak DeFi app. And already we have over 20,000 downloads on the Peak DeFi app and already more than 55,000 members on MarketPeak. So our ecosystem is growing and growing, and that's amazing. It's all about community. Yeah. And the third pillar is peakdefi.com. That's our DeFi fund and also staking portal, where also, of course, the target group are crypto enthusiasts and experts who are familiar with the Ethereum blockchain. And also here, the foundation is MarketPeak, and then the people go more familiar with peakdefi.com. And on peakdefi.com, we already have nearly 3,000 users, and after 1 month we launched. So that's also a great result, and I will show you more about it now. Yeah, so these are our 3 pillars, and I want to show you now these 3 pillars. Oh, by the way, I forgot something. We also have, of course, in our ecosystem, we have our own Peak token. Yeah, and the Peak token is already around 1 year 1 year before launch. It's required for staking. It's required for getting more rewards. It's you get more voting power if we start with the governance. It's required for getting that the traders can trade the Peak DeFi fund and so on. And the Peak token is already listed on more than 6 exchanges. You can see it on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. So also already great results, and we have every day more than $200,000 turnover. Sometimes we have more, sometimes less, but it's already amazing. Okay, and yeah, and now I want to go through our 3 pillars on the website. Yeah, so this time I want to do another presentation. So you see here, this is MarketPeak. So this is our first pillar. This is our education and affiliate platform. Yeah, so you see here, you can see all videos and so on. You see also here the slide, and here you need to see that only 1% of the global population, so we have around 7 billion people out there, and only 1% using crypto. And to be honest, I think even less than 1%. So the potential is so huge, and therefore MarketPeak is the foundation to take care of the people who want to come, who want to join into the crypto market. I mean, some days ago, I think 2 days ago, Elon Musk posted in his Twitter bio description that he is for Bitcoin. Yeah. So, and he's a big influencer. Yeah. So more and more people will follow him and join into crypto. And we have already a foundation where we educating these people. Yeah. And now I want not talk so much. I want to show you how our education looks like in the MarketPeak back office. So this is the MarketPeak dashboard. You see, we have here different packages, member packages, and depending from your package, you have here many modules. And for example, if we check here the crypto mastery, we have here crypto basic videos, what is Bitcoin, Bitcoin wallets, and so on. We have an altcoin guide, and also we have blockchain basics. For example, the history of money and so on. And I just want to show you the quality of the education, that you see it.
Have you ever wondered how the money came about? What were they, and what path of evolution did they go, as well as how Bitcoin burst into the world? MarketPeak has learned all the details, and we are ready to tell you how ordinary shells turned into digital gold. Imagine a world without money, not in the sense that...
So you see, it's very professional, and you see how many videos we have about crypto, about DeFi. Also, for example, we have a video how you can do how you can set up a Ethereum wallet.
As you may know, Ethereum is the second most prominent cryptocurrency after choosing a wallet. Simple to use. Even beginners can easily figure.
I want to show you directly.
Characters.
You see
it's then
here.
Time to click on Create Wallet and download the file for storing the keys. Then click on I understand. Continue. Next, My Ether wallet will generate.
So you see, you have here a whole instruction how you can set up an Ethereum wallet. How it works, how you can store your keys, everything you need to know about crypto. And the important thing, everything is good, chronologically prepared for you, so that you can start with the easy stuff and go through the more and more difficult stuff, so that you become a crypto expert. Okay, very, very important. We have also webinars and so on. Okay, so this is a look into the back office of MarketPeak, and how. And now I have the first great news for you. So here are the packages, the membership package, how you can join into MarketPeak. So you can join for free, and then we have packages for 100 that starting from $125 up to $15,000, and these packages are lifetime. So, and in each package, it contains education, it contains infrastructure for getting more rewards, and it contains the peak minting. Okay, so the software that minting your peak tokens. And the bigger the package, the more you get in each part of the package. So for example, at the package all in, you receive many education already. You receive more peak token minting and so on. And now I have great news for you. Last week we had many discussions with project managers, and we hired 2 new project managers from Austria who are amazing crypto experts. They are young, but also they are very deeply into the crypto and DeFi stuff, and also NFT stuff. And they created already a huge academy, a much more experienced academy that we will integrate in the next 2 weeks or 3 weeks into the dashboard, and then it will be available from the package 4,500. Everyone who already has the package 4,500 or will buy it will achieve more education that we have already right now. And this education we will also translate into different languages. So we start first with English, then and also in all other languages like Vietnamese, Russian, Spanish, and so on. But you already see we have already this video that I showed you before. We have already in many different languages. Already we have this in Russian, Vietnamese, German, and so on. And Spanish coming soon also. So you see we are really trying to give you the best education for crypto in this space. And we already have more than 50,000 clients. So I think it's the people like it already. So we are one of the biggest academies out there. So now I want to show you the next pillar. So the next pillar is our peakdefi.com. So the Peak DeFi platform, which is our Peak DeFi fund, and also where you can stake in Peak token. And you see already more than 500 million assets under management, and nearly 20 million Peak token are staked that are already, it's nearly $5 million. Yeah. And this is a completely decentralized finance project. It's audited by Quantstamp. You see it here below. If you click on that, you can see the audit report by Quantstamp. Okay, so you see here everything. And if I click on invest, then you see here the dashboard. Yeah. And now you have here 3 options to do as a user. First, you can invest in the DeFi fund. And you see right now the DeFi fund, the share price of the DeFi fund is $1.07 per dollar. So the DeFi fund is right now 7.4% in the plus, in plus. So the performance is 7.4 performance. And that's good. That's good. That's much more than the traditional finance. And it's completely decentralized, like I told, completely on smart contracts. Then you have here the possibility to staking Peak token, okay? And you see, I already staked here Peak token, and you see that the Peak token are growing every second, yeah? And anytime you can withdraw your rewards of Peak token. So you can withdraw every minute, every hour, every day, every week. It depends on you, okay? And we have also here a calculator. So depending on the amount and depending on how many days you want to stake, you will receive here rewards. So more and more rewards. You see, this is how much you can get if you can just try out and see how much you can get here. And then earlier you join, the more rewards you also get. So right now the rewards are bigger because we launched 1 month ago. But of course, after 1 year, after 2 years, the rewards will be less because the early factor, the early bonus will go less. Okay, and also, of course, we have here an audited affiliate program that is also managed completely by smart contracts. So we have here 8 levels where you get commissions in Peak token or in USDC, depending if you are staking or investing in the fund. And yeah, so these 3 types you can use in the Peak DeFi, and you see the UI is also amazing. You just click here on buy, then you can decide between these assets you want to invest. It's great. Yeah, so the UI is amazing. Okay, so this is the Peak DeFi fund, and the 3rd pillar is the Peak DeFi app. So you can download the app for Android or iOS. Okay, I already showed you what you can do here. You can send, receive, and track your tokens. We have an implemented decentralized exchange where you can swap your tokens. There's a highest security there because only you have your keys. Yeah, nobody else. It's a non-custody app, and of course you have access to hundreds of tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. You can download it on Google or Apple. We have, like I told already, over 20,000 clients for the app, and it's for free. So you can, you can click on, for example, Android, and you see we have already here over 332 reviews, very positive, and yeah, you can just download it and install it. So these are the updates. These are the updates and the presentation. Yeah, so I told you the first update, we hired 2 new project managers, and we will deliver more and more better education. It's already very nice and will be much, much better. And now to the second biggest update. And before I come to that, I need to drink some water, and I want that you now liking the video if you like it. So like it and follow our YouTube channel until I drink some water. Okay, and now we come to the second update, and that's our promotion. So maybe you remember, since the November we had a promotion for the last 90 days, and this promotion ends yesterday. Yeah, so yesterday was the last day, and the people could win an iPhone 12 Pro or the Dubai Leader event. Okay, and for the iPhone 12 Pro, we have 49 people who qualified for this prize, and in the next days, maybe in the next 2 days, we will send out to all winners an email, okay? And then you need to answer some questions. And do you want the iPhone physically, or do you want receive $1,200 in Bitcoin? So that's it. Yeah. So you need just to wait for the email that will come in the next days. Okay. And then I have great news for you about the Dubai event, because we already organized most of the things. We know also the exactly date. So for the Dubai event, we have 46 qualified people, okay? And this event will go from the 4th March to the 7th March. Very important. In this time, we already booked a 5-star hotel for 3 days. We booked it from the 4th to the 6th March, okay? But on the 7th March, we will do the yachting, okay? But anyway, most of the people will stay also on the 7th March, so we have enough room for that. So included, there will be a Dubai tour, and of course, we will pay for you the fly for these people who are qualified. We will do a Dubai tour. We will pay for you the hotel with all accommodation. We will do the yachting, and by the way, this will be the yacht. The yacht is for 100 people, and we organized everything for 100 people. Okay, for 100 people. That means because you see, we have 46 people are qualified, and also we already get the information that the people from Vietnam can not come because of the Corona situation. They cannot fly to Dubai. So therefore, we will have around more than 60 people can come additionally to Dubai. Okay, and for this we decided to sell some tickets, because many people are asking us that not qualified for Dubai, but they want to come to the event. Yeah, and therefore we organized a big room, a big conference hall for 400 people, but of the Corona situation, only maximum 100 people can attend there. So because of the social distancing and so on. Yeah, so we will start the selling of the tickets maybe in 2 or 3 days. We just need to check. We will first send out an email to the people who qualified for the Dubai event. Then we need to find out how many people will exactly come, and then we will start the ticket selling for the Dubai event, and so that you that you can participate on everything. So also, even if you are not qualified. Okay, I also will talk with the leaders who maybe have some special people for that. So yeah, these are the ideas that we have right now. So please wait some days, and yeah, you see the date is already clear, and we will send us to you the message. And yeah, I already looking forward to this event, because I want to see all the leaders again, all the new people also who joined MarketPeak and our ecosystem. And it will be huge, because also we will have a dinner, yachting, we will have a professional camera team, and also, oh, what I forget, we will also visit our office in Dubai, and so on. Yeah, so it will be a very great event. And yeah, so these are the second news that I had for you. So yeah, I hope you liked it. So just wait for the next days for receive until we send out the email. And yeah, that's it. That are the important news that I wanted to share with you. So yeah, I checking now the comments. You like it? That's good. So yeah, thank you very much. I wish you a great week. Please share this video with your teams. Yeah, share it so the link will stay as for record. So you can just share the link to your team. And yeah, so wish you a great day, a great week. And yeah, it's just the beginning, like I always said, we say, because our foundation is now finished, and now we need to scale. We need to scale. We will optimize everything. In this month, we will also launch the next big thing on our Peak DeFi wallet app. So there will come a credit card that will be implemented that you can order. So, and every month we prepared we will prepare a new update. So this year will be very huge. And I'm very thankful to have a great community that already joined us, and that's already more than 50,000 people. So yeah, wish you a great week, and see you in the next video, in the next webinar. Bye bye, your Sergey.